Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Oldies but Goodies Gen X Toons ATC cards. And this one is She-Ra Princess of Power. Now this is another one I didn't recognize. So I had to go in and pick some images, and I was like, the more I look at her, the more I don't remember this cartoon. Like I said, a lot of these Sabrina was finding that I'm like, I don't remember that. And her husband helped. So, but it was fun realizing, we're basically, Sabrina and I are in the same age group, kind of. I'm not that much older than her. I ain't going to tell you how much older, but I'm not that much older than her. That our cartoons are basically the same. Because we're doing like the 80s version and 70s, And she was recognizing somebody like, no, I never heard of that one. It's just, childhood differences. But here it is. So I just found an image of it and added some bling. So I didn't know what to go with it. Come on, camera. There we go. Maybe it's this thing. Oh, is that open? Or there could be the bling. So that's what I came up. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. So that is my ATC for She-Ra Princess of Power. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.